Jamie. Jamie.
Pakalan, yun na si.
Say I na rin.
Jamie, wow. Let's go there.
Kino!
Like a regular taxi, and it's from different places. Hurry up so you get the bridge. Sorry, I didn't eat.
Look at this.
So Kino.
Yeah.
Kino no crime no. Kino's do live, you know.
Yeah.
Kino did live.
Charity, charity. We look out for the needy.
Up and running you, do your thing.
Yeah, man.
God bless you, God protect you. No weapon from against prosper, you know.
Kino life in Jamaica.
Yeah, Kino life in
Jamaica. This is at a resort. We're at a resort, man.
There you go, the tomato right here, Kino.
So we can pick that one, right? We need something to put it in. CARLA come. So like how we now tomato on our farm. I read that one here, even though I never do the store and we can read, right?
I have never done it either, so this is your...
Alright, Jay, no respect there, Jay, for everything. I read that one, them say, want it I give.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day
Dream team, one team, you know, yeah, thing over there and Jamaica Avenue.
Yeah, man, 165.
The Matrix Barber Shop.
You know?
Come pass and see the man with the jerk on. Oh, me have to really stop and look.
You know? So, sorry, I know New York, you know, just like yard, you know.
Yes.
You know, I say 165 Jamaica Queens, you know, so you don't know what's different yard than America, I see. Yeah, man. Jerkers, you know.
We will bring some of the Jamaican cold for you then.
Yeah, man.
Next time.
Next time you have to bring somebody for yeah, man. Out and about, you know.
Yeah, bring up.
Most. Most of the cola just hold it as a natural thing. Most can allow it, see there. It's not only Jamaica alone.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Yeah, than abroad.
Yeah, man.
Outside.
But I'm a person for YouTube now. Tell me YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube as well too, sir.
Yeah, man. Jerk thing there now.
Yeah.
Big up a youth from the Kino.
Yeah.
Kino no crime no. Kino's do live, you know.
Yeah.
Kino did live.
Charity, charity. We look out for the needy.
Up and running you, do your thing.
Yeah, man.
God bless you, God protect you. No weapon from against prosper, you know.
Kino life in Jamaica.
Yeah, Kino life in
Jamaica. Carry?
Come on, sorry.
Oh.
Try and pick up the camera.
See there, over there. Triples. Big up yourself, triples. Kino life in Jamaica representing, you know, yeah, and abroad over there. Best in Jamaica. Alright, big up yourself, yeah? Good. Jamie. Jamie.
Pakalan, yun na si.
Say I na rin.
Jamie, wow.
Muna yun naman si me.
No, come. Aki, si Percy Ronald Kino sa sasaya.
Yes. So me say I own this road me.
Sundays, Pakalan.
Trust this classroom.
big up.
I can't come up without jacket and don't say no, I'm soon come run out. Oh, the line there?
No.
No, I'm leave her home. Man, I don't want that thing. I can't go that bag of things.
Yeah.
So me I must say the person run round. So me say.
How old is?
But realize say you know anyone knows say me. Never say CARLA.
Tommy in the building. Tommy in the building. All them drinking.
One team.
Maybe I know a crew.
Everybody, God bless.
Sure.
Bombing ball.
Keep the ball bombing.
Yeah.
Keep the ball. So Tommy, you're rolling through. There I go, look over, get some feed.
So nice. You know who there? No, me not come and do it. Kino said no. But I'm not too long. I look for me. I'm just around. Kino there reach our Bronx. And I always look for follow up and things.
Come here, so I hear from Tommy from a day.
Yeah. From time that I went.
Yeah, if I said no, I wonder how she not call me yet. Who they dad? Yeah, what?
Hey, you what? Hey, anyway. Yes. Yeah, then our abroad. 22 and 24. Jesus. Yeah, we don't know.
22 and
yes.
24.
You don't know that code, you know.
No? Okay.
24 Thursday, what I see me.
I see you. Yes. No, we know.
This is our 20. You want to come at 22, you see? Oh. This is our 5 to come at 22. Yeah. At 220.
Just touched down. Just touched down, so Oliver is on his way. But Oliver is in the airport already, so he's gonna meet me at this terminal. So yeah, in Florida. Let's go out there.
Kino!
CARLA! Alright, it's always great to see Oliver.
Welcome to Florida, man.
CARLA.
Dream team.
One team. Oh, it's a blessing. Nah, like, I feel the love, I feel the love, I feel the love. Whoa, whoa, you know? Whoa.
You're at the 15th Street Fishery Restaurant.
Fishery Restaurant.
Yeah.
And this is how you like the burgers, right?
Oh yeah.
You're a burger spot.
Over that side is where a lot of sports stars, minor players, celebrities, and a lot of different things, people from different things live. Those are mansions along the way.
Yeah. Watch that one, them fishing in the kitchen right now.
Tarpon.
Big tarpon.
Can't see them, just get some thingies.
Oh.
You buy them from behind over there.
And you feed them.
Go around and you walk around and you feed them.
I just show me a picture one time we went to CARLA, I feed them.
This was a different down south.
Oh, a different spot.
But I was doing the same thing.
Yeah, you feed them some big ones.
Kind of fish,
Big spots. But not like I'm at the resort.
You haven't seen any much of it as yet?
No, like they call them palm trees. Only for palm tree like
Jamaica, you know, you get mango, everything. Bananas, sugarcane,
see them here?
everything.
Oh yes, them Thames say them
Like Jamaica.
no.
You got the soil down here.
Oh, boy.
See like that window that you have with all that iron and stuff.
Yeah.
How we doing?
Like a regular taxi and it's
Yeah.
from different places. Hurry up so you get the bridge. Sorry, I didn't mean.
Look at this.
Don't get the water out there.
This is big. So you know, say I'm getting it. No, Oliver to give me a little tour around the place. I new them place.
Well, you know, in Trenchtown and in Jamaica, you got my back, I got your back there.
Alright, so you see that dream team. Well, when them did say Oliver, I'm gonna be in good hands. Them say Kino, when you reach down there, you're in good hands with Oliver and CARLA, you know, it's no lie. You know, it's no lie. Look at this. Wow. So that's the bridge open up, right? To let through this.
So they open up the bridge. You see that sailboat going out there?
Yeah.
To let it through.
And that's the road that will come over, right?
Yes. And if you go back that way, you go to the beach. You can play basketball on the beach.
Yeah.
Or you can.
Which one is the Miami Beach?
Miami Beach is a little south from here, but it's all considered mansions and stuff.
Yeah. It may look small.
From here it does, but if you go over there, you'll be surprised.
Yeah. Man.
See it's closing now. See it's closing.
Yeah. Yes. So
see that one is going down first and
next one is come on time.
yeah. Lock it in.
Even the bridge look new.
It's yeah, you know.
But it look new. When everything down here look new.
Yeah. It's like I said, you know, New York and Philadelphia and those places, they're much more developed a long time ago. And things were different back then. There wasn't as much traffic and all that kind of stuff. But Florida now is coming up, so they have the blueprint as to how wide to make the road.
Yeah.
You know, and down here it's different from up north. You see, like the houses that you stay in when you're up there.
Yeah.
They can't build them with bricks, with concrete.
Oh,
because in the wintertime it expands. In the summertime it contracts. And then you know that would cause a problem.
So these yachts now, would they rate them or something?
These are very wealthy people that own these things, and they have them for different reasons. This person's British.
Yeah, British. Oh, okay. That's how the flag is on it.
Yeah. And if you come over this side here, you see they're all over the place. You know.
Yeah.
See right here.
Yeah.
They all have different things. I think that one, you know the lady named Vanna White, that blue one right there. I'm not sure, but I think that's hers. Or she used to park her there some years ago.
There's few of them around here, man. When I fly over, I'm see a few of these boats, well, yachts.
We used to launch from around the corner right there. Remember I was showing you where the
when you're going fishing.
Yeah, you see over there? That's all new. All them apartments to the left side right there, all new.
So the place literally is still a developed same way.
Yeah. I mean, you could get some of these places are very affordable, but now it's very expensive.
Can you imagine?
But you see who lives down here. Though.
Yeah. Them some private yacht.
See, it's by the American flag.
Yeah.
That's westward. I can't make out the name, but fries and rice.
That's what she said.
Yeah.
This feel like we're at the resort.
Oh yeah.
Feel like we're at the resort. I'm not even lying. I feel welcome, because you know Alibasa I got him back when him come turn son, so you know couldn't have my back while I'm here. You know. Well, the viewers them and the extended family already said, and everyone saying, tell Alibasa CARLA said I, said
We're saying hi right back.
Yes, they say he's saying right
I just feel so overwhelmed sometimes when I see people just like actually know us. I'm like, oh wow. You know?
Them say CARLA got this true angel soul, you know. Oliver boy, them say they never know people like who still make. You know?
There's a lot of us around. A lot.
Yeah.
Sometimes, and I remember someone made a comment. He said, "There's a lot of folks. Sometimes people just can't do it, but they love to be able to.
Yeah.
They love to be able to just.
Well, you like inspirational. You like inspire.
When I was growing up, I remember people used to be very kind.
Yeah.
I mean, there were problems just like now, you know, but if you need help, somebody would always be there. That's the Jamaica I remember.
Yeah.
But you know, as time gets modern and things, and people become a little bit more skeptic and a little bit more careful, and you know, people kind of drift away a little bit. But they're still there, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, for instance, look, when you start this, people start showing up.
That's true. From all over the angles, you know.
Because a lot of them remember what it was like when they were young. The neighborhood started to, you know. Right there? Yeah. He was born 1910. He used to be here sitting out at the front before he passed away. Up in the street.
Dream team, one team. Look, we have pure mango tree right here in Florida. Mangoes?
See right over there?
Mango and jelly.
Another month and a half.
Yeah, to the mango tree then,
Come down here.
just like Jamaica. The mango tree, I call it picky mango.
Yeah, month and a half,
Oh,
we're gonna have mangoes.
So that means I call it you can climb mango tree, man.
No, we can't go.
Yeah, mango tree.
They're not as nice as Jamaican mangoes though.
Oh, that's nice.
They do.
Yeah.
I mean, we can't go down there now because
Got the water.
it's flooded.
Got
But
it.
you can see all the mango trees.
Yeah, pure
And it
mango.
goes all the way down to where the family is.
Oh,
And then when you get to the family house, you can pass the house and there's mangoes. Past the house, you can go.
pure
They're
mango.
different species, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Of mangoes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, have mango.
Jamaican have mango, yeah.
Yes.
Have mango.
Eh,
Lot of mango.
mango walk. This is a mango walk.
You know what I do when I come here sometime?
Mm-hmm.
I bring my knife because there's mangoes all over it. Just pick and peel and eat.
Eat straight away.
Buy the ones you want. The ones that you're
Yeah.
picking up, they don't want. You know.
Oh, so just pick them and they go up and catch them.
Yeah, you cash them out.
Oh,
So if you
okay.
see a mango that you like, they give it. You have the stick with the mesh on it.
Yeah,
You pick it, it come down in the mesh. You put it in the bucket.
and then you go catch it.
And then you go cash it out. Then wait and you cash it out.
You see that?
But
It's
you can't
not,
walk down here right now.
Yeah.
because,
in Jamaica, you got to pick mango for free. Over here, just pick them and go and catch it. Alone over here, you have mangoes where you can go and pick them up, but after you go pick them, you have to go and pay for them. In Florida. Yeah, Florida is exactly, the weather is similar to Jamaica and everything, but the place is more newly developed, you know. Yes, yeah, down here is
When I
nice.
look at the,
Really, really nice.
the radar, the storm was going this way. It stopped over Florida, was going this way. Then it stopped and came back this way. And look at how many mangoes you lost. Look around.
Pure
So, you know,
mango.
the harvest this year is going to be, you see that?
Yeah.
A lot of mangoes. Everywhere you go, you see mangoes. Look over here from this tree. So this year we're going to the mangoes.
So we at the mango walk in Florida.
The first tree to go. Those are the last.
Yeah.
The trees right over on by the house over there.
Yeah.
Oh man, that's the best mango.
Sweet.
Oh god.
So we have the mango walk. We come here, pick the mango them we want, and they go and pay for them. They can't pick them and eat them like Jamaica. You have to go and pay for them. And you have to look at jellies and jellies and everything.
The guy will fill it up. How you gonna get the bottle?
Them small. These ones small. I'm gonna send you international then.
What up, Jamaica?
Yeah,
I love you.
They love you too.
We're gonna say
Dream team.
Dream team, one team.
One team. Dream team, baby.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man.
I love that.
I'm gonna say yeah man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah man. You get it number 10.
You get 10?
Yeah.
Tree looks good.
Just a banana bread with no chocolate chips. I'm sorry, excuse me.
Sorry.
Here we
Oh,
go, right
two
here.
dogs.
Thank you, sorry. Okay, sorry. Okay, that's good, right here. No, I'm good, thank you.
Yeah. Well. Dream team. Oliver.
Hey, how you doing, man?
Yes, sir. CARLA.
Hey, how you
In the kitchen. Making it work. There's supposed to be Oliver in the kitchen. But Oliver having grapes.
Yeah.
Guess he's having some grapes, man.
Enjoying my grapes.
Grapes,
Just
yeah.
some good grapes.
So like when I'm having grapes, CARLA, guess what? Dream team have farm as well too, you know. But guess what? That's in the Caribbean, but now I'm in Florida.
Yeah.
Then we have Caribbean, so this is Floridian. You know, so right now Oliver farming are going outside too.
I'll tell you what, it's not me, it's my son.
Yeah, well you're a part of it from your son and you, right? So you're a seed. So Oliver out that farm, kind of there, so we look at fight card, I tell the truth.
He actually looks at it.
Exactly, so.
Well, he planned it, and he's never here.
Yeah.
But are you giving the advice, right?
No, he was always like this. Right, Carla?
It's true. He's always wanted to plant something and, you know.
Yeah.
It's not because his parents are Jamaican why he does this. He just did it on his own.
It's true.
Okay.
I don't know where it came from, but from he was very young, he always wanted to plant stuff. And I tell you this, if it was up to me, you wouldn't have anywhere to walk. He'd plant everything. Everything that you bring in the house that have a seed or anything, or you know, tomatoes, or it could be onions, potatoes, he wants to plant it.
And as I talk about tomatoes, this is one of the tomatoes.
That's it.
This is 3 of them.
Yeah.
Tomatoes in Florida.
That's ready. Well, the one on the far left is ready.
This is ready.
That's ready.
And you see, it might go on better than we because we don't have no tomato on our farm.
Wow.
You know, no tomato. So this ready, this almost, and this getting there.
And see, he grew the peppers.
See, not only that, peppers, see? The pepper we have.
Oliver made a pickle bottle. At least one so far.
Oh, chef, I say, whoa, you know, get the fish and, you know, and sprinkle it over it, you know, wow, chef talk. You know, I say, wow, chef vibes, whoa, you know.
Yeah.
See there, it's a fried fish or fried sprat. Which one?
Which one?
From this pickle here.
Fried fish.
Fried fish.
Well, tell you what, let's go outside and take a look at what Jay
Yeah, see there, Oliver in the kitchen, now we're on the farm. Go on, Oliver. CARLA resort with the same way, you know. I forgot to tell them we're at the resort. There, my boom.
Hey,
Whoa.
Bring a container for the peppers.
This is at the resort. We're at the resort, man.
There you go, the tomato right here, Kino.
So we can pick that one, right? We need something to put it in. CARLA come. So like over now, tomato from our farm.
Yep.
I reap that one here, even though I never do the soil, I can reap, right?
I have never done it either, so this is your...
Alright, Jay, no respect there, Jay, for everything. I reap that one. Them say, want it, I give.
Yeah.
Okay, so that one. See? Them say, to leave a little stem at the top.
Nice.
See? Dream team, look. My first reaping of tomato. Yeah, look how far I'm come do it, Florida. Never get to do it on our farm, but I'm come to Florida, come reap tomato. Big up yourself, Jay.
Jay's pool farm.
Yeah, pool farm. So this is the pool farming. So now we go over here. Where this is the only one. First one in there.
First one, yeah.
Alright, then
I got peppers.
And we have peppers. Well, I'm not going better than we, you know. We have a whole heap of peppers, and look, see that we have the resort here. You know the thing go. We can chuck off and dive in, but see the sign that's sorry, caution. No diving.
So right here you got one pepper right there. You get that one? You can fold it up this way, come up this way.
Oh, you see Oliver know go on, Oliver teach you something. So even these one, right? So yeah. Oliver pick that one there now, me.
Here's another one here, you pull it up that way. Let me see if you got it.
Yeah man, one easy learner, I know.
I noticed that.
Easy learner.
So you're gonna have peppers on your farm, Kino?
Here's another one right here, Kino.
Okay.
But we don't now start planting yet. Two pepper, look at the bar pretty already.
Ooh, this one good, yeah.
And you got some full one over
So
here.
to these one already?
Yeah, as long as they're big enough. Especially if they're not super green.
Make them right
green.
up.
Yeah, they want a good. Dream team. See that wow chef? Talpi, Rasta Jackson. It's
What about
Olive.
these two right here? They're good or leave them for now? It's up to you.
Yeah. Just can't go pressing. Come on, so easy.
Yeah.
Rasta Jackson.
Here's some.
So we're gonna just put these guys down. Just let them get...
So look how we play now. Look how we play Dream Team. So look at this. So imagine what we can achieve.
You have peppers and tomatoes.
And that's great.
Well, I tell you what,
Throw
man.
in a cart, or what do you call it? A tote.
Tote. Hey, Kino, look, there's another pepper right here.
More pepper here.
See that one if it looks good?
Yeah, man, it's good. That big one here. And you have much pepper tree.
Under there, so
You have 1, 2, 3, 4 pepper tree. And a whole heap of pepper there, you know.
another pickle.
Yeah, it's a whole heap of pepper, you know.
Yeah.
So you say dream team, we need to go on better. Go plant more pepper tree. I want to start planting tomato trees. So Oliver smart, Oliver plant what we don't have. Jay.
I'm gonna tell you again, it's Jay, it's not me.
Smart.
Yeah.
Jay plant what we don't have. So Jay realized wait, them have pumpkin, them have banana, them have this, them have yam, but them have no tomato and no pepper. But we plant sweet pepper still.
I'm very impressed with him though, honestly, yeah.
Yeah man, I'm very
Because,
impressed. I'm really impressed, you know. You really have this, you need to come to Jamaica, come check out the Dream Team farm. You're Jay, you need to come Jay, eh?
And they have mint over there to the left.
Oh yeah,
That's mint.
and they have mint as well, so come check it out.
And strawberries to the right.
Here.
Little bit,
Mint.
not too far, but
Well,
Mint, they want to get bigger, right?
yeah, I said for it to
Smells
get
good.
big.
And this is what, strawberry?
yeah, strawberry and that one strawberry as well.
And you have strawberry.
This is strawberry as well.
So the first me has the strawberry still.
And he said he's gonna transplant them or something.
Well, what kind of mint is? I'm not quite sure what type of mint.
I don't know.
I have different type of mints.
Yeah,
Yeah.
black mint.
Black-
Yeah, black mint.
Oh my God, it's very, very strong. You smell
You
it?
never have to pick it, it just comes and just
Told us
squeeze the
name,
one
but I
leaf.
don't remember.
Oh, you squeeze it and
Yeah,
smell
just
it.
squeeze the leaf. Just squeeze the
Jesus.
leaf and it just strong. Jeez!
All right.
So this is J Farm
Yeah.
in Floridian. Not Florida.
Turn it over.
It's Floridian. So there you go. Jay, I'm very impressed. Yeah, not here, so me I reap for him. Even though I never saw, but me I reap. You know?
I'm going to turn this back to you
Yeah.
because I'm not sure if I'm doing a good job. And
Well, while I'm editing, then I will know.
Yeah.
Right, so Oliver. So the Dream Team was still here on vacation at the resort in Florida. There's so much still left for pick.
You know what's really cool is that for the viewers, you know, he just got these at Home Depot, these containers, or Ali actually got them.
Okay.
And so, you know, if somebody have space in the back, in your patio and they feel like it doesn't take a lot of space,
Yeah,
you know.
homegrown farming. I not think as what
This
you
one
said,
is in a Home Depot.
it's not a lot of space. You just have this there, this there, this there. And it's small and look how much thing you have already in that one small plate. So people must really believe and start to invest in farming.
Why not?
You know, this is a prime example.
This stuff right now, the market tomato is so expensive, like $2.99 a pound, you know, at the market in Florida. So
And this is pretty, but not lie.
you can grow it yourself.
This is well pretty.
Better off.
And the pepper them cheese when I have a bite. And pepper so expensive as well.
Very,
And look at them nice pepper here.
yeah.
And pepper is so expensive.
You like
And we have
starch
so
on it.
much more pepper left back. Look at peppers and try to balance the tree.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
this are the right thing. And look at bucket. So we can get a lot of bucket and plant them CMA. We don't need a bucket. But we need some of these things like good ideas them ones.
You can probably make these too.
Yeah?
You know, I know natural could make like the metal thing when you have extra leftover.
Yeah, buying the
And you
wire.
just put them over the plant.
Great. Jay, big up yourself, Jay, Dream Team,
Yeah,
one
Jay's doing
team.
good, man.
Jay.
Too bad he's not here. You know?
Yeah, you know, for run through it. So hopefully we'll see him before we leave out. Jay, very impressed. Dream Team farming foreign. Floridian. Yeah, Florida, Caribbean. So we're close. All of us as you fly up to the year, you land back at Jamaica.
Yeah,
Quick
so,
as that.
prepare for taking off. As soon as you take off, we're getting ready for
Yeah,
landing.
landing. And we have the pool, so we have a resort right at our feet. As you can see it, wow chef, I say, whoa! But no party not there, wow chef.
No party.
No party.
Close by, but not here at the house.
Yeah, no party. What them say when your ears ringing?
You'll find out. Look right there. Man.
Beautiful.
Jay's doing his thing. And don't forget your pickle.
Pickle. I never met this, you know.
Yeah.
So viewers, you see, and I can call Oliver and ask him I met that one, you know.
Oh.
That one is one special recipe, you know.
Very special, you're right about that.
Very special recipe. As you can see. Not yet, I'm not
You
sure
have to
this
try
one.
it. Very tasty.
Try it by itself.
By itself?
Yeah, you ever had you okay with hot stuff?
Yeah, but not now. Not now. Let me try.
Something.
No, I was saying that back in the days when I used to paint, and she used to watch me paint. And she, I'm watching her watching me. I said, "You okay?" She said, "Yeah, I'm just watching you because my dad never let me paint when I was younger."
Yeah.
So I said, "You want to paint?" She said, "Yes." Came over, I set her up. She practiced painting in the closet first. So I figured when she finished the closet, she wouldn't want anything else to do with painting. To my surprise, she was like, "I want to paint more stuff," you know?
Yeah.
So I said, "All right, come and help me." And I showed her how to take off the socket from the wall,
From the
and,
wall.
you know, the light switch, so you don't paint over the
Yeah.
thing. And she said, "Man, I used to see people paint over them." I said, "I know, but you know, this is the right way to do it."
Yeah, true. People now want to paint over them and say,
Because they're scared, you know.
yeah.
That was a bedroom I was working on, because we wanted to rent that house. I finished the bedroom and I moved to the living room, and she was right there with me. She never left.
Yeah, my left.
So in about 2 weeks after we finished, she's like, "Maybe we should paint where we live."
Yeah.
And she went and picked up the paint because now she can, you know, she have an
Yeah.
idea. And she has never stopped. That's many, many years ago. And now whenever it has to do with painting, she initiated the painting.
She, CARLA.
And she does the cutting, which is a
Yeah, very
tedious
sharp.
part.
I'm very impressed.
Very tedious part for most people. Jay, he cut over that side,
Yeah.
but it's not as good as what
CARLA.
she did.
I can see the difference.
Because you know, I mean, it did okay. It didn't mess up the wall, but it has a little bit of run on this side. But her cut is
Sharp. You went to the barber shop to learn that, to cut that sharp.
From Oliver.
From Oliver. I'm really impressed, you know, for a female to be doing that. And normally a man always say, "Yo, we gotta do the painting, you know, and do the cutting." So you have to come show that some of that exposure up on the dream team.
The only difference between me and her is I can't go through the selection of the paint because she can't make up her mind.
Oh.
You know what I learned is that sometimes you see the color card and you don't realize that even though you see the card, when you come home and put it on the walls,
Different.
it's different, and then you're just like, not what I expected.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
that's what happened. That I haven't really mastered, you know.
Yeah. True.
So therefore,
when
I
you-
tend to go through a few.
Yeah.
When you're looking at a color card, you usually look at it like this, and the light is coming down on the color card.
So you have to hold it up.
So if you fold it, you see how my hand look clear?
Yeah.
When I fold my hand, you see the darkness in there?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So when you bring the color card in, this is not what you get.
Okay.
This is what you get.
Okay.
So you have to fold it to see how it would look inside your house.
That's something new.
Yeah.
See, I
Makes
always
sense?
learn something new though. I always come here learn something new. Cause seriously, when I see the color card, I look down on it like this, as well I say. Never look on it like this.
Right.
Let's say you buy this at the store, and you're looking at it like this, right? And you said, "This is how it's gonna look in my house." But if you fold it, you see inside there,
Yeah, it's in the house now.
this is what you're gonna get.
Sure.
That
Different
color
shade.
inside your house.
Different
But if you
shade.
put the light in it, that's what you get.
Sure.
So when you buy paint, you have to fold it like this
And see the
to
color.
see what you're gonna get inside the house.
Impressive.
You know what I mean?
Impressive. I'm really impressed. So now we know something new we can try out now whenever I buy paint. You like when I go buy the paint now for Miss Dana. But us definitely gonna look on the color shade and thing. I have to thank you so much as well too, you know, for purchasing. But we're gonna buy it as well for contributing for Miss Dana painting. You know, so after the next step, you know, so well, a paint, you know, if a painter I go do it, or a color come do it.
If I had time, you know I'd be there.
Yes, I
Me and
see.
Little will be up on the ladder.
Alright, it seems like a painter, I forgot to take it over then. You know, but we're definitely gonna look at nice color. You know, a nice color. And the color you know look bad, so yeah, we're gonna look. So we'll give them.
Something light and bright, huh?
Yeah, something light and bright. Dream team, one team. So we're there. CARLA cutting up the collar low.
Yeah.
And well
I
green.
know. Stripping the color though. Not my favorite thing to do, but hey.
Yeah.
That's the process, right?
Alright, so that's the process. We have the okra there, we have the banana, we have the yam, we have the grape, you know, the grape, the cider.
Why you cut the
We
color?
have the pickle. Yeah.
Let's get through this part.
And that is that. So Oliver and CARLA in the kitchen, making it work. Dream team, one team. And I thank you so much for the welcome. And I like my feel the love. You know, I feel really appreciate. And I thank you so much. You know, and the excellent family been telling me, say, Kino, don't worry. You're gonna be in good hands. Blessings to all. I'm saying thank you so much again for the welcome. You know, the hospitality is great. You know, I feel like I'm at a resort. You know, lying. So, stay tuned. You know, Oliver and CARLA. You know, Kino. We're here with the Dream Team Heart. You know, I get the experience for the members them. And thank you so much all our viewers, our extended family. You know, this is the love.
Big up all the Dream Team members. Enough love.
Yeah, so now I'm here on Oliver's doorstep. I'm not anymore inside the house. You
Just
know?
want to say hi to Mrs. Chung and her family.
Yeah.
You're a wonderful woman. I'm so inspired by you, and I'm very remorseful and sorry for your loss. You are experiencing my biggest nightmare, you know, to lose a child, and I can feel the pain that you're going through. And you know, I'm just wishing you God's strength and hope you find some peace and able to cope with it. But it's a loss that we share with you.
Yes.
Just wanted to say that.
Yeah, so true. You know, it's really tough. You know, our condolence goes out to our family. You know, deep, because she's family. You know, we are family, so we feel it when our family is going through that pain. You know, because we cannot imagine it. She experiences, so we cannot tell what it feels like. You know, and even now she's going through the trauma. You know, and I tell her it's only God can eat her heart, because it's really tough, you know, really tough. So strong family, stay blessed, you know. We're here for your prayers is out. Oliver and CARLA sending them blessings, same way, you know, and them love.
Blessings and condolences, and
I think it's so commendable that
I know it's very painful, but you're not alone, because I can't say I understand it because I never had it. But I can sense the pain, and like I said, it's one of my biggest fears. You know, having a child and having to experience that. So,
and you know, even when she's going through this moment where she would just rather just be by herself with her family and take a time out to just receive you guys. You know, that was really nice of her.
Yeah, it was nice.
She and her family and her son. You know.
Yeah. Chico. His name Chico Beans.
Chico Beans.
Big up yourself, Chico Beans.
Yeah.
He's a good lad as well. He's doing well in school.
You got a good turnout there, man. I see Max and his sister came in.
She's something else, the sister.
I could see that.
I'm telling you, Russia, she's something else. She's looking out the window when it's raining.
It's a beautiful thing to see that, you know, you're bringing people from so far back together, and we can restore our traditional niceness that Jamaican has been known for, and kindness and loveness and all the goodness, you know.
Yeah, true.
And you know, we usually pass each other on the road with suspicion. I don't know this person, and I don't want to get involved. We're coming together as a community.
Right
you know what I mean?
Right now.
I saw Mac's sister get reunited with a friend of hers. And they were plugging in, just you know, it's just a beautiful thing.
It's
you know?
It's true. So
When you get to take the time out and realize you have more in common with the person than you thought. They're not really strangers. We just don't know how to say hi to each other. We just don't know how to bring out the best in each other. And you start this program to help those in need, and now you're bringing people together.
It's true.
So it's not only helping, but you're creating a community, a sub-community among people who are a member. You don't have to be Jamaican. You could be anything. Any nationality. As long as you're giving and you're caring and you are concerned about other people's well-being. You know, every time I see someone on the program and they donate and they participate, I feel like there's a bond, you know?
Yeah, it is a bond.
Common bond.
Yeah, because that's what keeps happening, the bond. You know, bringing each other together. Because remember before the technology, we never used to see and we used to understand each other. So with technology now and what's going on, yeah, we're coming together, you know, because when you mention family, and everyone feels like the family, because we all have a genuine heart, you know, trying to make someone else smile, you know, so the bond is there. Because when you hear the name called, oh, YD, so Vida, Overcomers, you know, Auntie Jean, so you can feel that person with the same genuine love what them putting out, so it becomes a bond. You know, you want to commend them for what they're doing, and like, thank you so much for helping out the needy, you know, and all these things. Because remember, they don't know each other.
Kino, you are the one that's making this happen, and so big up to you for just making this a reality, you know.
Yeah, sure.
When I was younger, and I'm not saying people were perfect back then or angelic by any means, but I was more used to seeing the outreach of kindness.
Yeah.
And for many years, we seem to have lost a part of that. And through the program, I see so many people coming together. Right, I'm not even saying below the surface, but right at the top, the kindness of being who we are is right back up.
I know what Max said, Max said it's all because of love, you know. It's when you have the genuine love inside your heart. That's what's happening, you know. Max mommy, she would say it's all because of love.
So true.
You know, and that's what's coming now to reality. So we give thanks, to the Almighty.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.